Skip counting within 999. Learning objectives. Skip counting by twos within 999. Skip counting by threes within 999. Skip counting by fives within 999. Skip counting by tens within 999. Skip counting backwards within 999. Hello, my dear friends. Look at this rabbit. He jumps on the number line from 0 to 2. Then he jumps from the number 2 to number 4. Then he jumps to number 6. Have you noticed, my friends, that every time the rabbit jumps, he adds 2 units? Here, for example, he was standing on the number 4, and when he jumped, he added 2 units, ending up on the number 6. The rabbit is now on the number 6, so if we add 2, it will move to the number 8. Well done. This method of counting is called skip counting by twos, because every time we jump, we add 2 units to get the next number. Now let's count these basketballs together. What is the best way to count them? Skip counting by twos. Of course not, because here there are 3 balls in each group. So what do? Skip counting by threes. Well done. Let's count together. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, and 21. We have 21 balls. Wow, look at these cherries. We want to count these cherries and put them in this basket. How do we count them quickly? Do you notice that in each group there are 5 cherries? So we can skip count by fives to count the cherries quickly. Let's count together. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Well done. We have 35 cherries. Now look at these buttons with me. We want to count all these buttons. Have you noticed that each group is made up of 10 buttons? So what method should we use to count the buttons? Well done. Skip counting by tens. This is because each group consists of 10 buttons. Let's start counting together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Well done, my friends. You are amazing. We have 80 buttons. What do you think of the skip count? It's fun and easy. Shall we count more numbers? Let's go. Look at this number line. The numbers on it are made up of 3 digits. Let's read the numbers. 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125. The numbers go up by 1 unit. This is called skip counting by 1, as we jump 1 unit every time. So we add 1 unit each time to move to the next number. Look at these squares. There are numbers inside of them, but there are some missing numbers. How do we know the missing numbers? Here is the number 130. And here is 131. And here is 132. Did you notice that every time we move to the next number, we add 1? So we will use skip counting by 1 to find the missing numbers. Let's count together. Here's 132. If we add 1, we have 133. If we add 1, it becomes 134. If we add 1, we have 135. And if we add 1 more, it will be 136. Well done. If we start the skip counting by 2's from the number 300, what is the next number? Well, let's use the number line to make it easier for us. When we skip count by 2 on the number line, we move 2 units to the right. So, the next number is 302. Let's go on counting in 2's. 304, 306, 308, 310, and 312. Now, let's write the numbers here. 302, 304, 306, 308, 310, and 312. Have you noticed that every time we add the number 2 to get to the next one? Well done, you guys are awesome. This cat wants to cross the river to reach the other side. But look at the bridge, it's not complete. What are the numbers that must be put in order to complete the bridge and let the cat cross? Let's look together and see the numbers. Here is the number 512, 514, then a missing number, and here is 518, then another missing number, then 522. What do we do? Have you noticed that when we moved from the number 512 to the number 514, we added 2? So we will use skip counting by 2. Let's go. Starting at 514, we add 2. It becomes 516. Where is it? Here it is. Now we add 2 to reach 518. Then we add 2 and it becomes 520. Where is 520? Here it is. Well done. Now we add 2 and it becomes 522. Now the bridge is complete. Well done. The cat can cross the river. Now, my friends, let's solve some math problems.